The first thing you need to do is download the Stickerly app. Then open the installed app by clicking on the Open button. Sign in with your private or Google account. Also gives you the Facebook option. Choose your email and click. Now presents you the beginning. Set up your profile. To make modifications to your new app, you can put your name, username, presentation, and website. Click on the X and return. Here are some funny stickers. Click on the ones you want to download. For example, go to the add icon and click while downloading. Wait a moment. Now ask if you want to add Flork MOV to WhatsApp. Click on add. Another option you have is to create your own sticker. Click on the mouse and then allow. Click on animated and choose the one that most calls your attention. Here you can add text in the text icon. Type your text and select the color you want. And click on done. Now move the text in the direction you want. Finally click on next. Then click on save. Select new package. And finally in design. Wait for it to save and share it on your WhatsApp. And then you'll have it on your mobile.